Good morning, folks. My name is rWhite from BISH'S RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a Catalina Legacy. It's a 323 BHDS. That's a bunkhouse double slide. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on the interior. Folks, this is a great family coach. It's got the light colors, very bright, very cheery. Has a nice 40-inch flat screen TV, fireplace. You've got sinks here, a single basin sink. It's got the microwave, the gas grill top, the gas oven. Nice, good size refrigerator. This is the residential style. It's got a lot of storage in it, plenty of drawers, plenty of cabinets. You also have the nice horseshoe type booth, plenty of seating, nice sofa that turns into a sleeper. This is all in a great big slide. It's got a great bath. Notice with your bath you've got a nice walk-in shower and a door to the exterior, which is really nice when you're out camping. People can come in and use the restroom without going through the entire coach. Step her back to the back where you've got, this is a sleeper sofa. You can be used for a sofa for the kids. You also have a bunk above here. You've got a bunk on this side with a built-in ladder. It's pre-wired to have a TV put in. You've got some storage here, wardrobe storage for the kids. And then up in front, you've got the private master suite. Nice walk-around bed with some nightstands on each side of the bed, which are all pre-wired so you can plug in your electronic devices. Of course, it's air conditioned and ducted all the way through. Let's step outside and we'll look at a couple things out here real quick before we finish up. On your exterior, we're going to only be able to open this so far. We've got a lot of coaches we need to sell some. Exterior refrigerator, grill top, and sink. Plenty of storage. So it's got the nice outside kitchen. Once again, folks, my name is rWhite with BISH'S RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Thank you. Have a great day.